Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a 4K image on email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail and a 4K image. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the shortcut, top right corner, Gmail, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Documents, my YouTube channel, click on this, go to 4K. Locate that 4K image, right click, copy, paste to the desktop, paste item. Let's now quit Finder, go back to that image, right click, get information. We can then confirm the dimensions, which are 3840 by 2160. Let's now quit, get information, go around to the dock. Go back to Google Chrome. Let's now compose an email. Increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient that we will be sending the email to, which is admin@computersciencevideos.com. Click on this. Subject will be 4K image. Let's now go within the email. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Full stop. Enter new line. Please see the attached 4K image. Full stop. New line. Kind regards. Right arrow, comma, CSV. Let's now go around to attach files. Click on this. Go to the desktop, select the image, 4K image, open. That should now be attaching to this email. Will take some time depending on the high quality resolution of the image. So we can now click on send. Message has now been sent. Let's now click on view message, 4K image. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached 4K image, kind regards, CSV. Click on that image itself. We can now see that this is a very high quality image which is taking some time to load, but there we have it, the 4K image exported in 4K 3840 by 2160. So we can now close out of the image. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.